guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be using the brand new palette from Prime Beauty. So if you're interested in seeing this tutorial, keep on watching.
Intro.
You guys know me, I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna be using the new Prime Beauty Eyeliner Gyal palette. If you haven't seen my live swatch video, I'm gonna link it bang bang right up there so you can enjoy that, but I'm gonna link it at the end too, just so you know you ain't gotta exit out of this video. I'm gonna go into Bayesian with a Sigma E40 brush. Alright, we're just gonna tap that all into my crease and blow it out. I'm just gonna pull it out a little bit because that's what I feel like doing today. Don't forget to get this little nook right here. Just gonna soften up the edges just a little bit with dulce de leche. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit just so I can, you know, blow that sugar out very softly. Nothing crazy. I think the proper term is diffuse. That's the word I was trying to say in my live swatch video, was diffuse. I could not think of that word to save my life. We're gonna go and try Dominicana in the crease. I really don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I just know that I want it to be fun and bright. I'm still gonna deepen this up somehow. See, Dominicana is cooperating now. She is cooperating. Okay, this is gonna look pretty bad before it looks pretty good. So just work with your girl. Send a couple of prayers too, you know. Taking my Sigma E45 brush. I think I might do a tiny bit of rum cake right in the crease, because it should turn purple-esque or purple adjacent. I think that's where I'm trying to land this plane. This stupid fold that I have, it always messes me up every single time, and it just be setting me up for failure. I'm gonna take the NYX white base in my Sigma E62 cut crease. This time I'm not gonna take as much. This brush is actually really good for cut creases. If you struggle with it, all you really have to do with this brush is make sure that, you know, it's pretty flat. Going in with Mojito on my Ray Ray number 8 brush. And we're just gonna go in 1/3 of the way. I don't wanna bring it up too far. So right where my pupil starts, I think that's how far I wanna bring this color. What y'all been watching on TV? Like, the only show that I have to like super watch is Pose. Like, that's, oh my gosh. That show is so well acted and well written. Billy Porter, so amazing in that show. These last few episodes, oh, pray tell. Oh, yes, mama. This eye is like perfect. I feel like this eye is my good eye. This one, I don't know, it's always my struggle eye. Next, we're gonna go into Sac Passe, and we're just gonna put that right next to the green. We want a nice little blend right here. Pulling that green over into the blue, so you don't have such a harsh line. If your base crease before you start it, make sure you just go ahead and blend it out before you start putting on your color, because it's gonna look crazy. Let's talk about Prime Beauty. Like, number one, have you guys even used it? I really do want to try their bronzers, because right now, of course, I'm working with Fenty. Well, I'm not working with Fenty, but I'm using the Fenty bronzers, which, like, those have been my go-to. But I really do want to try these Prime Beauty ones, especially since that's what they're known for. They're bread and butter. I'm a nerd at heart. Shout out to all my nerds. I love a good, like, origin story. It's like, why do you choose these colors, or what made you start your company? Those are the like kind of questions I love asking. I think we're doing pretty good. Decision time. What do I want to do right now? Do I want to just keep it like this or add another color? I think I'm going to add Dance Hall. Yeah, I think I'm going to add Dance Hall, but I need this to come over just a bit more. So I'm not even picking up more product. I'm just feathering what I have on my eye and on this brush. And you're feathering, don't go too reckless because you don't want to mess up the work you've already done. I don't want too much of it. I just want a teeny bit of it. What I'm going to end up doing is probably putting more rum cake there to that color. But I just want to add a little something. I think this is the part that a lot of people really don't show, is just showing that gradient part. Because my problem always has been, it's almost like two strips, like bong, bong, bong. And it's like, girl, if you don't blend that out or feather it or something, like, get your life together, girl. E25 and rum cake, and I'm just kind of, again, feathering it out. And I'm only picking up a tiny bit and working with what I have, assessing my work, and then moving on. I think I'm missing a little bit of that rum cake. I need a more detailed brush. If you don't have a Sigma E36, just go out and buy one, because this is such a nice detailed precision brush, and it doesn't disturb your work and act like, you know, real profesh and fake your funk, kind of like how I'm doing. Just going in with Beijing right here, just to make sure I didn't lose anything. Okay, we can just clean up. I'm gonna do my liner and lashes off camera because I can't deal with that much pressure. So I'll be right back. That was so stressful, you guys don't even, y'all don't even know. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my base. I don't know if you guys actually want to see this, but I'm showing it. Taking the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I haven't used it that much. Ooh, girl, she balling up. That's my sunscreen. Wear your sunscreen. So I really haven't been using it. It's been okay the last few times that I've used it, but you know, something different. I do like how it gets tacky though. I'm gonna take my Lancome Tinty Idole in the shade 460 Suede. If you don't know, this is one of my favorite foundations. Look at this color match though. Like, you guys don't really see my chest right now, but the color match is just so good in the summertime. Love it. My Born This Way concealer in shade Butterscotch. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just been my super jam. Always want to work your way from the outside to the end. And I'm going to go in with that foundation brush right on the edge, I should say. On my chin I go right over, forehead I go right over. We're gonna brighten it up just a tiny bit with Colourpop's concealer. This literally just bong bong right here. That's it. Put it away. Put it away. Put it. I honestly don't even need that, but all the cool kids are doing it, so I'm not trying to be out here in these streets like, Mommy, what's wrong with her face? Kids have a lovely way of humbling you real quick. Take my black Opal stick foundation. This is Suede Mocha. I just do the tiniest bit. Boom, boom. Notice I put it pretty high because I have a problem with blending. Go figure. If I put it a little higher as I'm blending, it works out for you, girl. Right here and right here. I figure we're going for it, so you might as well go. So this part, I definitely like to use something a little bit cooler, like the Fenty matchstick, because I'm trying to hide everything that I've been eating all summer. All the empanadas and the barbecue. Oh. We're gonna take the Fenty Beauty setting powder, and if you're looking at this and saying, girl, when'd you get a mini? I got the mini. I got cashew, and I knew I shouldn't have bought it, and I tried it on myself and I loved it. I love this shade. Look at it. I think I love this color even more than the Beauty Bakery, and that's been my jam. And this is why I didn't want to try this powder, because I knew I was gonna love it. I knew it. I didn't set the rest of my face. We'll do all that later. But getting back to the eyes, we're just gonna line with some black liner, my waterline only. We're gonna use this Urban Decay Glide On pencil. not in the waterline, but actually on my lash line. This is the shade Voodoo. This came with a holiday set that I ended up buying. I'm not sure if it's a permanent color, so I'll let you guys know in the description box. I don't know what the hell happened to this brush, but this is my E20 brush. We're gonna pick up Dance Hall. We're just gonna smudge that in the lash line. I forgot to put powder. Hold on, your girl is tripping. Y'all really had me up in these streets reckless. Shame on y'all. Girl, everything that I worked for just now would have been gone in an instant. I hope you guys are really enjoying this, because I most certainly am. You didn't have to use a purple liner. I was just doing it because I saw it. Trying to be extra, you know? Okay, I'm just gonna go back in Bayesian and just slightly smoke out and bring it all together. I think I'm gonna just go in with Rum Cake just to satisfy my smoketivity. I lost a little bit of that black, so I'm gonna go back in there. I'm not mad at the black because it kind of turned into a deeper purple. I'm on my, you know, Bob Ross. No mistakes, just happy little trees. I'm just gonna knock this dust off because, you know, I don't like to bake. I microwave. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with Fenty Beauty's Honey Patrick Star style and just right all over the face. Taking both of my Sephora micro smooth powders. I don't know when the hell they gonna make new ones, but they need to hurry it up. Need something right in between this. We're gonna use my Fenty bronzers, starting out with Caramel Coyote. I know you guys probably are like, girl, like, what are you putting on? Because I don't see anything. Trust me, it's on there, and I like to build my stuff up. I don't like to just go in crazy. As I've gotten darker and summer has gone on, I can just like literally like pack so much on, like so Sandra Deluxe-ish, because I don't know how she does it. Like, she'll just and I'm like but as the summer goes on, I noticed that because this is more so my skin tone now, you know, it still does a little something, you know, doesn't look too bad. Then I go in with Cocoa Naughty and I take some right on the tip and I just bring it out right there. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. This is my favorite part. I don't care what anybody says. Like, bronzer contour changes lives. This, oh, I love bronzers. I really do. It's literally my favorite part of makeup. And like, it just brings so much life and dimension back into your face. I'm going crazy with it. Let me stop, but I can't stop. I can't stop. Got to contour the nose. This is an optional step, of course, but Caramel Cutie is literally the goat. Coming to life. Nose job, what? No, not necessary. Taking that powder brush, and I'm just gonna go right over it. Ain't no harsh lines over here, girl. You know, your girl is powdery as fuck right now, so gonna go ahead and I think this is a very appropriate thing to do right now. Say, ayo sis, I got this when I went to DragCon, and that was from Aja the Queen on Instagram. She's amazing and she smells so good, so good. I'm gonna be taking this Patrick Star MAC highlighter. This has been my go-to jam as of late, and it's just so good. Like, oh, it's so good. Take it right there on the nose. Everything. We're not done with highlighter though. Artist Couture. This is in the shade Hot Damn. And this just elevates that highlighter real nice. This has been my go-to combo. Like, so good. Lips. See, this is the part of the segment where I always budget up and I don't know where to go from here because I'm so bad at coordinating lips. I don't know, I want something fun. Should we go a little crazy or like really bright? Like, if we're gonna do it, we might as well do it, right? If anything, abort mission. think I should keep it light pink. I really do. But we're gonna just do a little dab. Slow stepping. Okay, okay. Just in case you're wondering, this is the Colourpop Ellery collection. This is Yoshi. Oh, Yoshi. I think that was a good choice. That was a good choice, right? Gonna finish this up with some Scandinavia finishing spray. This is the bridal version because it's hot outside. So, am I ready for Carnival or what? Like, and look at my shirt. Oh my God, look at my shirt. This shirt is dumb old, but I found it in my closet, still with a tag on it. And I think it suits the theme. I think I did a pretty damn good job with this makeup look. Of course, it's something out of my element, out of box for me, and I didn't screw it up. And even if I did, I would have just fully committed to it. I really enjoyed using the Island Gyal palette. I feel like I did the damn thing. You can't tell me nothing. I'm happy. So check out some of my other tutorials and videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.